Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 4, the Formation of the Worlds. Buddha children, know that in each ocean of worlds there are differences in the manifestation of the Buddhas, as many as atomic particles in an ocean of worlds. That is, some manifest small bodies, some large bodies, some manifest short lives, some long lives, some only adorn and purify a single Buddha land, some adorn and purify innumerable Buddha lands, some only reveal one vehicle of teaching, some reveal inconceivably many vehicles of teaching, some appear to tame a few sentient beings, some tame boundless sentient beings. Such differences as these are as many as atomic particles in an ocean of worlds. Then universally good, to review, looked over the 10 directions by the power he received from the Buddha and said, various accommodating methods of the Buddhas appear in all the oceans of worlds, all adapted to the inclinations of sentient beings. This is the Buddha's power of skillful expedience. The reality body of the Buddhas is inconceivable, colorless, formless, beyond any image, yet able to manifest myriad forms for sentient beings, causing them to see according to their inclinations. Some manifest short lives for beings, some appear to live for countless eons. The reality body manifests throughout the 10 directions, appearing in the world according to suitability. Some there are who beautify and purify all the inconceivable oceans of worlds in all directions, and some only purify one single land, yet showing all within that one. Some, according to the mentalities of sentient beings, reveal inconceivably many various vehicles of liberation. Some only expound one vehicle of teaching, yet within that one are revealed innumerable methods. Some there are who, naturally enlightened, cause a few beings to abide in the way. Some can, in a single instant, awaken countless deluded ones. Some produce mystical clouds from their pores, which manifest countless boundless Buddhas, appearing in all worlds, liberating beings by various means.